Most newsletters grow slowly, charge nothing, and hope that size eventually justifies monetization. Build the audience first. Earn trust. Then, when the list is large enough, ask people to pay. This model works. It also takes years. And for most creators who try it, the moment when the list finally feels large enough to charge never quite arrives. There is always a reason to wait a little longer. A different model exists. Launch paid from day one. Build an audience that is willing to pay before the newsletter is large. Use AI to produce content consistently enough that early subscribers feel their money is well spent from the very first issue. I built and launched a paid newsletter in 30 days using this model. I want to share exactly what I did week by week and what happened. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why paid from day one works. The instinct to charge only after building a large free audience comes from a reasonable place. It feels wrong to ask people to pay before you have proven the value. But paid from day one has advantages that the free first model does not. Your subscribers self-select for commitment. Someone who pays for a newsletter in its first week is demonstrating genuine interest in the topic. Free subscribers collect newsletters without reading them. Paid subscribers read what they pay for. The revenue validates the concept immediately. Rather than spending a year building a free audience and then discovering that nobody is willing to pay, you discover within the first week whether the topic and the format have commercial appeal. If they do not, you know in 30 days rather than 12 months. And the content quality stays high. Writing for people who have paid creates a different level of accountability than writing for a free list. Paid subscribers give better feedback, higher open rates, and more candid responses to your content, all of which make the newsletter better faster. The first week was entirely spent on positioning before writing a single word of content. I gave Claude my topic area, my professional background, and my target reader. I asked Claude to help me define the newsletter's specific promise, the specific value a subscriber would receive with each issue that they could not easily get elsewhere. We tested 3 different positioning angles. Each one described a different version of the newsletter to a different type of reader. I shared all 3 on social media as a brief description and asked my audience which one they would most likely pay for. The response to the 3rd angle was significantly stronger than the first 2. With positioning confirmed, I asked Claude to write the first issue. I gave it my core insight for the week, 3 pieces of supporting evidence I had gathered, and a specific practical takeaway for the reader. Claude produced a complete first draft. I spent 90 minutes reviewing, rewriting the sections that did not sound like me, and adding 2 specific examples that only I could provide. The first issue went live to a founding subscriber price on day 7. 12 people paid. Week 2 was about building the content system that would make weekly publishing sustainable, and getting the first 12 subscribers to tell people they knew. I asked Claude to help me design a repeatable issue structure. The same format every week, a core insight, 3 pieces of evidence, a practical framework, and 1 specific action the reader could take before the next issue. Consistent structure reduces the production burden dramatically once the format is established. I also asked Claude to write 3 referral request emails, messages I could send personally to 12 specific people who I believed would find the newsletter genuinely valuable. Not a mass blast. 12 personal messages, each one referencing something specific about that person that made the newsletter relevant to them. By the end of week 2, 29 subscribers. Week 3 was where the system started to feel effortless rather than effortful. With the issue structure established, the weekly production session took 2 hours. 1 hour giving Claude the week's core insight and evidence. 90 minutes reviewing and personalizing the draft. 30 minutes on the subject line, asking Claude for 10 variations and choosing the strongest. I published the Week 3 issue to 31 subscribers with an open rate of 78%. The engagement from a small paid list was unlike anything I had experienced with free newsletters of 10 times the size. I asked Claude to write a case study email, a specific account of how one subscriber had applied an insight from issue 1 and what changed for them. It produced 4 new paid subscribers from people who had been watching, but not yet joining. By end of Week 3, 35 subscribers. Week 4 was the formal public launch, moving from a quiet founding subscriber period to a full public announcement. I asked Claude to write the launch announcement for every platform where my audience was active. Each version adapted to the platform's format, longer and more personal for email, concise and benefit-focused for social media, specific and evidence-heavy for professional networks. The launch announcement referenced the early subscriber count, the open rates from the first 3 issues, and 2 specific pieces of feedback from founding subscribers. Social proof from 35 real paying readers carried more weight than a promise from 0. The launch week produced 22 new paid subscribers. 57 total paying subscribers at the end of day 30. 57 paid subscribers at the end of 30 days is not a large audience. But it is an audience that has demonstrated it will pay for what I produce, which is more than most free newsletters 10 times the size have ever proven. The revenue from 57 subscribers at a modest monthly price is meaningful. The open rates and engagement are unlike anything a free newsletter of comparable size produces. And the content system AI helped me build is sustainable indefinitely. Paid from day 1 is not the only model. But for anyone who has been building free and waiting for the right moment to charge, the right moment is usually earlier than it feels. What topic would you launch a paid newsletter around if you started this week? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a clear 30-day system for launching a paid newsletter with AI, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.